The Nellcor bedside SpO2 patient monitoring system provides clinicians with access to the most critical information regarding their patient's respiratory status. The Nellcor bedside SpO2 patient monitoring system is designed for easy setup and easy use. On the back of the monitor, you'll find connections for AC power, an equipotential connector, and a nurse cool port. The rear panel also offers access to the monitor's battery. The front panel provides the connection to the SpO2 sensor. The power button is on the top right of the panel. Just press and hold the button to turn the monitor on or off. Easily accessible buttons allow you to silence alarms for a set amount of time and to return to the main screen. A jog dial controls system functions. And on the side of the monitor, you'll find USB ports for data downloads and system upgrades. The colour interface on the monitoring system is designed to be both easy to read and easy to use, so you can see critical patient information quickly. Key parameter measurements are displayed prominently. They are readable from any angle and lighting situation. This readability constitutes normal workflow in all acuity settings. The LCD display provides continuous readings on arterial blood oxygen saturation and pulse rate. It also provides the plethysmographic waveform and informative messages. On the right side of the display, icons provide information on the status of the monitor. These include indicators for power, battery charge, interference, sensor disconnect, sensor off, and sensor messages. The main view of the LCD presents the real-time values for SpO2 and pulse rate in prominent numbers that can be read at a glance. It also shows upper and lower alarm limits for SpO2 and pulse rate. In addition, the main view includes a blip bar display that indicates pulse beat and the relative pulse amplitude. A bar along the bottom of the display provides informative messages and indicators for the patient mode area, the alarm limits menu, and the options menu. To access the alarm limits menu, rotate the jog dial to highlight the alarm limits display area and press. From this menu, you can adjust the alarm limits for SpO2, pulse rate, and sat seconds. The Alarm Limits menu also allows you to silence audible alarms until the next power cycle. Colour icons show you alarm status at a glance. For quick access to alarm settings, rotate the jog dial to highlight one of two areas and press. The Patient Mode menu allows you to choose settings for adult, pediatric or neonatal patient. To access this menu, just rotate the jog dial to highlight the Patient Mode display area and press. This Options menu provides access to settings for volume adjustments, response modes, and other settings. To access this menu, rotate the jog dial to highlight the Options icon and press. The monitoring system allows you to set the sweep speed of the waveform and opt to view the tabular or graphical trend screen. To access one of these functions, simply rotate the jog dial to highlight the waveform or trend display area and press. The sweep speed view allows you to set the speed at which the SpO2 waveform trace moves across the screen. The higher the sweep speed value, the more granular the data that appears on the screen. The monitoring system presents trend information in tabular format for all monitored parameters when you enable this option. To access the tabular trend view, rotate the jog dial to highlight the waveform or trend display area and press. Select Tabular Trend and press again. To scroll through the tabular trend view, rotate the jog dial to the left for historical data or to the right to get back to present time. You can download your patient's data using the functions in the Trend Data Download menu. To access this menu, rotate the jog dial to highlight the Options menu and press. The monitoring system presents trend information in a single graph for all monitored parameters when you enable this option. To access the graphical trend view, rotate the jog dial to highlight the waveform or trend display area and press. Select Graphical Trend and press again. To access the Alarm Limits menu for SpO2, pulse rate and sat seconds, rotate the jog dial to highlight the Alarm Limits display area and press. The Sat Seconds Alarm menu allows you to adjust settings to minimize clinically insignificant alarms that occur with your patient. With its easily accessible features and user-friendly interface, the Nellcor bedside SpO2 patient monitoring system makes it easy to access critical patient information. Clinicians can feel confident in the ability to detect respiratory complications earlier and intervene sooner. It all adds up to better patient care.